YouTube, this is my first video. I am here today to show you my fish tank. It is 100 gallons. Okay, and I will show you the fish in it today. So first I have some jewel cichlids and some minnows, and I got some parrot fish. There's another one. I got a baby Oscar, some silver dollars. I got a big terrace cichlid, a little one back there. I got a bumblebee cichlid. I got a baby jug dumpsy. And I think that is most of my fish. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and be my friend. I'm out of here. I love butter chicken and so should you.